everyone, and welcome to our daily technical analysis video on the 22nd of August, Monday. I hope you all had a great weekend, and we're going to carry on watching our trades from last week. As you know, last week we were psyching you up for the euro dollar to short. As you can see, the market really came down. Now we're at a support level around here on the euro dollar, so we're expecting a slight movement up, simply because if we take a look at our daily chart today, that's the weekly pivot area. So the market should be coming back up a little bit before it decides to short again. So all we really have to do is just follow that through and take your profit. In fact, you know what? Let's take our profit now and feel good about it. How's that? So let me just do that. Close our order. Oops, and there we go. So as you know, we're taking trades as we give the recommendations as well. So there we've got some nice hefty profits there. So now let's take a look at the pound dollar. Let's take a look at the pound dollar here. Now as you can see, the pound dollar, I was expecting a pullback on this as well. In fact, I said if you're selling the euro dollar, we should certainly be selling the pound dollar as well, if you watched our live stream on Facebook, simply because they're still hand in hand, these two currency pairs, and the pound also pulled back. Now let's see what we can do with the pound. In fact, let's leave these lines here, simply because I think we probably might want to pull back up here and then short again. So pound, if you take a look at here, let me just make this scale fix. It is actually scale fixed. Let me just move this up here. Now this is a nice pullback. If we're short on the pound, because the overall trend obviously is short, or as you can see, the pound's been falling like mad since Brexit. If I make this a daily chart, you'll note that we have a kind of slight double bottom here, and let's just make this a little bigger. Okay, as you can see here, we have a double bottom. Okay, there, pull down a little bit here, and the market kind of pulled back up. So if it goes back up again, it would be good to short. If it comes down here, we'll have to see what will happen here. Okay, because as you can see, there's a descending triangle happening here, and what the market might do, might break down or might find support here to go back up again. Dollar, let's take a look at the dollar yen, if I can just find it on my charts here. Dollar franc, let's take a look at the dollar franc. Now with the dollar franc, as you will recall, we were long from these two levels here, and the market nicely went up. As you can see, all you have to do is just follow those levels with us, and as you can see, the market's kind of popping up here. Now this has room to go back up again. All we have to do is now wait for a pullback. Don't just jump in into the trade after that long run, because the market's waving. A lot of traders make that mistake, so you have to know where to get into the market. So just be mindful, wait for a little pullback. In fact, where should the market pull back, you might be asking? Well, let's see what we can do here. Let's draw trend lines. As you can see, the market is at a resistance level here, and it broke out from this resistance level here. Okay, so what we might do is wait for the market to pull back again to slightly these levels, maybe not as far as there, or let's see what we can do here. Okay, maybe to pull back to around this level. So a pull back here and then to break out from here would take us out to this target there. Okay, so just follow that through. If you don't know technical analysis, just copy what I do. Okay, so just draw your lines and then anticipate and expect those moves to happen. Obviously, don't forget to use money management. Let's take a look at the dollar yen. Now with the dollar yen, let me move this up a little bit. In fact, a little higher would be good, so you get to see the full picture. With the dollar yen, we were expecting the market to go up. I only did mention it might have a bit of room to pop down here. That is still a possibility. Let's take a look at dollar yen on our detailed chart. Right then, this is our daily chart on the dollar yen. As you can see, there's a triangle here and a possible flag. So one pennant possibility, one flag possibility, and that looks like a resistance level there. So this is once again pretty much a double bottom scenario, and the market's kind of going up from here. On our 4-hour chart, we're still inclined to go up, but on a pullback. Where would you buy today if you were long with the dollar yen? Well, this area is not bad at all. So if the market does pop back, that would be good. We could be buying around this level here. Not a bad scenario at all. Let's take a look at the dollar franc. Oh, I'm sorry, we did the dollar franc. Let's take a look at gold. Let's see where gold's at still. Now look at this, the gold has broken down from that triangle on the daily. So that is definitely a possibility, a good sign for us to start going short. Where till? Until this support line here. So the gold has a bit of potential to come down all the way towards 1,318 area. So that's a nice little drop today on the gold. So that little short I think will continue. Let's take a look on the details. So on the gold, our first target is around 1,326 area there. Right there is going to be your first support. Okay, and this trend line here, and then it has the potential to come down. Let's draw these lines here. Down to here, which is 1,322 level there. Okay, but it's interesting that that triangle kind of broke down, so it's got room to come down. We can now get rid of this line because that's already worked out fine for us, and we can get rid of this line, and you'll see the triangle there. Okay, so that is a triangle. All I have to do now is stick a trend line in there, and we'll see how that happens. Yeah, in fact, we don't need to do that, you're right. Let's just do this. We might see gold coming even lower. I'm just going to draw another trend line right from the bottom of that trend, okay, where it's eventuating all the way from here, from 11 December. So we might see gold coming all the way down, okay, first of all to this triangle here, and if it breaks down all the way down here, that doesn't look too bad at all. Alright, so we can expect a bit of pullback on the gold. You can see target 1, target 2, target 3. There you go. If you're trading gold, be mindful on that. And finally, let's take a look at the dollar ZAR. Dollar ZAR, the expected has happened. It has broken out. So if you had bought around here when we had noted, you would have done really, really well. This still has room to go. All you have to do is just follow the videos and just mark yourself in and hang in there. All right, hope that helps. This is today's video for you, Monday 22nd of August. Hope to see you all with another video tomorrow. All the best and good luck with your trading.